It is unfathomable that that could happen to a man like Craig. It's actually unfathomable.
Storm damage, somehow we'll make it through.
Craig often describes it as like when you throw a stone in a pond and there's a ripple effect. He talks about an atom bomb being thrown in a pond, and that the after effects are still rippling for family and friends and supporters and for Craig and I. But we find our inner strength through a huge support network.
Can't help but love you.
How would he feel if he knew, suspected that he could never play that character again?
Devastated.
Do you think that he will ever be able to come back and play that character?
Yes, I do. I have absolutely no doubt that Craig will rise to the top again. He just can't help it.
No one stops to take a look. Rivers up over the main road now. All the trees are lying down. Storm damage, no chance to leave this town. When you hold me, I can feel you break in two. When you hold me, can't help but love you.
And we basically are determined and will do everything we can to move through this and clear his name, and for everyone, I guess, to realise that the person who is Craig McLachlan is not the person who's been painted. Craig McLachlan is not that person. He's kind and gentle and funny. Yes, he's mischievous.
To the dark clouds, help is kind of on its way.
You're wrong. I've created a monster.
We'll get through this okay. When you hold me, I can feel you break in two. When you hold me, can't help but love you.
One of his greatest assets is that he loves to make people happy and comfortable, and to be honest, he has one of the greatest senses of what is right and just in the world who I know. It's very clear. So anyway, we just continue on as best we can.
I can't help but love you. I can't help but love you. Love you. Storm damage. Storm damage. Storm damage. Storm damage.
His talent, he's incredible. I'm speaking as an observer of someone who being in this industry, I observe talented people. I observe stars. I observe people who are very good at what they do, and he's one of those people.